Another project involving the Husqvarna 136. What I'm going to do today is replace the air filter, which is underneath this cover. I have the new one right here, and I have the part number as well that I'll put on the video as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull this cover off and replace the filter. And I've cleaned this many times over and over. Now it's at the point where it just can't be cleaned anymore, so we're just going to replace it. And there it is. So you can see how worn it is. Now on the new filter, it does not come with the screws. You have to reuse the screws. Place it back on the saw. And that's all there is to it. Reinstall the top cover. It's easy as that. Filter all installed.